So hello friends and welcome back. Sorry for the delay. Today I was unable to get time for this, but now I've got time. So I have started chapter number 2 polynomials. In my previous video I have completed chapter number 1 number system. So in this video we are going to start with ninth maths chapter number 2 polynomials. So first of all, what are polynomials? Polynomials is divided by two spells. It's poly and nomials. Now here poly means many and nomial means terms. So simply polynomials means many terms. A polynomial, how to identify that whether an equation is polynomial or not. So if that equation has many terms plus the power, as you already know what is power. So the equation has its power as whole number and has many terms. Many terms means more than one term. So now can we say that 4x cube plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 5 is a polynomial? See, what are terms? This is a term. This is a variable. And this is a constant. So this is called a term. An equation which has terms, this is right now not a term, but we can make it a term by adding. Remember, when only a single digit number is given in an equation, and if you want to make it polynomial, so you have to add the degree as whole number and you have to make it a term. So for making a term in our equation, we have given x, and if already like here 2x's, if you have given only 5 and you have given 2x, you have given here x, so this is a term, but it does not have any power, so you can add the power as 1. But here this is not also a term, plus it does not have also any power. So here we will do the power as 0. So now we can add here 1 and 0. So now 3, 2, 1, 0 are whole number and are its power, and these all are terms. So in short, this number is a polynomial. So now what if I take 4x minus 3 plus 3x minus 2 plus 2x minus 1 plus 5. So will this be a polynomial? Will this be a polynomial? No or yes? No, because the power is not 0, but here only 5 is given, so we can add 0. The power is 0, so this is a polynomial. See, this is a term. Pi x 0 is a term. Even one single term in a 6 terms equation, even a one single term has its power a whole number, then that equation is polynomial. So I hope you understood how to identify polynomials and what is the meaning of the word polynomial. So now we'll move on to what is called a degree. In this chapter, in some exercises, you will get degree. So what is degree? Here same equation, 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5x 0. So now in here, can you identify the degree? The degree word is you get an instinct that it could be this or this or this or this or all of this or none of this. The degree is one of this, but which? In this equation, the highest power. In an equation, the highest power which you have given is called degree. Another example, 6x2 plus 4x. So what will be the degree in this equation? Here nothing is given, so there will be 1, and 2 is greater than 1, so the degree will be 2. Here 1 is greater than 0, 2 is greater than 1, and 3 is greater than 2. So the greatest is 3. So 3 is the degree. Have you understood what is degree? Now moving on to the next topic, coefficient. What is coefficient? So the another meaning of this word is neighbor. So here, if in a question you have been given find the coefficient of x, and the equation is this 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5x 0. Sorry, here it will be 1. So in question, let's change it. You have been given, you have to find the coefficient of x square. So in this, what will be the coefficient of x square? Here 4 is coefficient of x cube, not of x square. 4 is coefficient of x cube. 3 is coefficient of x square. 2 is coefficient of x raised to power 1, and 5 is coefficient of x. So now here in question you have been given, you have to find x square. So the coefficient of x square is 3. So the coefficient word means neighbor, and in an equation you will have been given a question of whom you have to find coefficient. Here I have written x square. So if the equation would be like this, then the coefficient of x square would be 4, 3, then 2 and 5. So I hope you understood what is coefficient. Now moving on to our next topic, how many types of polynomials are there? So in class 9th we have given 3 types of polynomials in class 9. They are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. So linear polynomial are polynomial with one term. I already told what is term, and I hope you remembered it. So linear polynomial is polynomial with only one term. This is a linear polynomial. But if I add another term, then it will be a quadratic polynomial. See here linear, quadratic and cubic. So linear means 1, quadratic means 2, and cubic means 3. And polynomial is many terms. So in a polynomial with one term, it will be linear. A polynomial with 2 terms will be quadratic, and a polynomial with 3 terms would be cubic. So an example of cubic is so now this is a cubic polynomial. But can you say what is the degree in this cubic polynomial? Yes, the degree is 16. Now what is the coefficient of x5 in this equation? The coefficient of x5 is 4. So I hope you understood what the chapter number 2 polynomial is all about. Now one more topic I'll tell you is binomials and monomials. Here nomials means I already told terms bi and mo. Bi means 2 and mono means 1. So binomial is a polynomial with two terms. If you have given a question like write an equation with binomial by degree 2, so you can write it as this is a binomial, this is a binomial now with degree 2, so this is now degree 2. And if you have been given write a monomial with degree 100, then you can simply do like this. So I hope you understood I hope you understood today's topic. So in my next video I am going to take some exercises. I have explained the whole chapter, but to understand it properly I am going to take some sums. Here the summary of the whole chapter is over. So let's meet in the next video. Goodbye, and please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.